Today we'll be making a wood-fired brick pizza oven. And it should be real simple. I don't know exactly how many bricks it takes, but I know it takes these two big gray boys and about 50 to 60 of these red boys. So let's get into it. I'm gonna do this 3 wide. About like that right there. Bam, bam. We'll go 3 deep. You just want a good flat surface. I'm trying to think, I might want to go, yeah, no, I guess that's fine. Go like that. And we can actually see, I also have these bricks just because I don't want to burn the fire straight up on my patio deck. So I'm gonna play around with it. Oh, wow, look at that. It looks like 2 fit in pretty perfectly. So I have these little skinnier pavers that I'm just gonna, so this will actually be what the fire is gonna be on. And you can, if you're doing it in like your yard on grass, you can throw down some like gravel or something like that if you don't want to get these little bricks. But I actually have these laying in my basement, so perfecto. And I guess it works out pretty good to be too wide like that, fits perfect. So we're gonna go 3 long by 3 long. Couple more of these guys in here. Safe. Boom. Alright, we'll continue stacking these bigger bricks now. I'm gonna put them like that, and then you kind of just fill in the blanks. You can kind of design your own too if you want. Found this on the internet. Super easy. I have made one of these before, and it wasn't on a flat surface like this, so I can tell you this is already a lot better. Flat surface. I'm gonna go a couple more rows high before I put my big old gray boy down. Because right here, this spot is gonna be where the fire is gonna be, so you want some room, some height, so it can really get to burning. Like I said, what's nice about this is it's not really like stationary. You can kind of just move it around. You get tired of it right here? Cool. Move it 10 feet over. Rest your bricks as you go. See, you can move them wherever you want them. I definitely just went up 1 row higher than I had planned. So I hope that it doesn't move it back for some vent holes, you know, so it can come up. That'll work. Push this back a little bit. The fire will come up through there. Alright, so once you have that, then you move on to the big boy. So you didn't have to go as big as I went. These things are heavy, really heavy. But this is all I could find. It was either like this big boy or like little baby brick. So go big or go home. Oh. So you don't want to put it all the way to the back because you want to be able to leave that so the fire can come up through there and you can get it nice and charred. So hopefully we did use all of these 60 bricks, so get extra because it's gonna work just perfectly. I think I did some extra bricking, so I don't know where I went wrong exactly, but I'm gonna put the big one on there now, and it's gonna be perfect. All right, now this boy, get right over the top of her. Watch your fingers. Boom. Now if you take a little peek off in there. You can see if there's any little holes, see if you can piece them together a little bit. Go in there. Ooh, that's looking good. There's always going to be a little bit, but I really think that this is going to be phenomenal. I think I left enough room back there for it. So you can stick your fingers up through there because you want enough for the flame to get nice and hot. Right here, I left a gap right here for the heat to come up. Because this right here, this is where your pizza is going to be. Right on this piece right here. So you want to leave a gap so that heat and that fire can get up there. And that smoke. Yeah, I think she's pretty nice. Oh, I'm ready to eat a pizza. If you didn't see last week's episode, we already made one of these and cooked a pizza or two on it. So make sure you check out last week's video. And let us know what you think. Build it at home, send us some pictures. Say something in the comments. What do you want us to build next? What do you want us to make next? Let us know. This is easy. This took what, 15 minutes? Mm-hmm. If I knew what I was doing, it'd probably take like 4.5. But pretty easy. And like I said, just catch last week's video for how it works and for the live pizza making. And maybe we'll cook something else on here next week. Give us something. What do you want to see? You want to see like some baked spaghetti in there? You want to see like an apple pie? Calzone?
Green bean casserole?
Green bean casserole? I mean, you can make whatever. I mean, it's an oven.
Some
Mac and cheese? Got any more ideas? I mean,
calzones.
Anything you put in an oven?
Anything you put in an oven, it'll just be better because it's gonna be with wood. And you're outside. Listen to the birds chirp. Well, anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank y'all. Pizza oven. Easy peasy.